Plymouth, Mass. AP. Parts of the Northeast could begin to feel the effects of Hurricane Henri as soon as late Saturday, as the storm barrels toward the region. Forecasters said Henri was expected to remain at or near hurricane strength when it makes landfall mid-afternoon Sunday, which the Hurricane Center said could be on New York's Long Island or in southern New England, most likely Connecticut. The upgrade in status came with the National Hurricane Center's 11 a.m. advisory. Storm surge and the tide could cause high water in coastal New England as Henri moves inland, the Miami-based National Hurricane Center said in an advisory. Heavy rain and wind may also produce flooding. Henri was veering a bit further west than originally expected, and if that track holds, it would have eastern Long Island in its bullseye rather than New England, which hasn't taken a direct hit from a hurricane since Hurricane Bob in 1991, a Category 2 storm that killed at least 17 people. New York hasn't had a direct hit from a major hurricane season storm since Superstorm Sandy wreaked havoc in 2012. Regardless of its exact landfall, broad impacts were expected across a large swath of the Northeast, extending inland to Hartford, Connecticut, and Albany, New York, and eastward to Cape Cod, which is teeming with tens of thousands of summer tourists. Massachusetts Governor Charlie Baker urged people vacationing on the Cape to leave well before Henri hits, and those who plan to start vacations there to delay their plans. "We don't want people to be stuck in traffic on the Cape Cod bridges when the storm is in full force on Sunday," he said. With a top wind speed of 75 miles per hour, 120 kilometers per hour, Saturday morning, Henri sped up slightly to move north-northeast at 14 miles per hour, 23 kilometers per hour. It's still about 465 miles, 750 kilometers, south of Montauk on New York's Long Island. Governor Ned Lamont warned Connecticut residents they should prepare to shelter in place from Sunday afternoon through at least Monday morning as the state braces for the first possible direct hit from a hurricane in decades. "This storm is extremely worrisome," said Michael Finkelstein, police chief and emergency management director in East Lyme, Connecticut. "We haven't been down this road in quite a while, and there's no doubt that we and the rest of New England would have some real difficulties with a direct hit from a hurricane." The Hurricane Center's storm surge between 3 and 5 feet, 1 to 1.5 meters, was possible with Henri from Flushing, New York, to Chatham, Massachusetts, and for parts of the North Shore and South Shore of Long Island. Rainfall between 3 to 6 inches, 7.5 to 15 centimeters, was expected Sunday through Monday over the Northeast. The Weather Service warned of the potential for damaging winds and widespread coastal flooding from Henri, and officials in Massachusetts, Connecticut and New York cautioned that people could lose power for a week or even longer.